Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the coffee grind amount on their Sage Barista Express? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare machine. Ensure your coffee maker is powered on and filled with beans, and set your preferred grind size. Step 2. Set minimum. Set the grind amount dial to the minimum to start adjusting the dose. Step 3. Test grind. Press the grinding button and observe the coffee amount in the filter basket. Check if it's excessive. Step 4. Adjust grind size. If too much coffee is dispensed, adjust the grind size to be coarser. Step 5. Fine-tune. After adjustments, test grind again with the grind amount dial at minimum and fine-tune if necessary. With these steps, you should now be able to adjust the grind amount perfectly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sage users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.